The Ganga River is India's most sacred river. Millions depend on it for water and farming. People also come here for spiritual cleansing and festivals. However, pollution now threatens this important river. This article will explore its cultural significance and environmental challenges. The Ganga River is very special to Indian people. It is not just a normal river. They see it as a mother and a goddess. People believe the water can clean their spirit. This idea is very old and important. It makes the river different from all others. Every morning, many people visit the river. They take a bath in the water. They say prayers and give flowers. This is their daily religious activity. They show their love and respect this way. The river makes them feel peaceful and happy. In the evening, there is a beautiful ceremony. People call it Ganga Aarti. Priests hold big lamps with fire. They sing songs and ring bells. Many people come to watch this event. It is a very nice and spiritual time for everyone. For Hindu people, the Ganga is very pure. It is like their mother who takes care of them. The river helps them in their spiritual life. This special feeling makes the Ganga unique. It is the most important part of Indian culture and belief. The Ganga River provides life for millions of people in India. Farmers use its water to grow rice and vegetables in their fields. Many people also fish in the river for food. The river supports the daily lives of countless families. It is truly the heart of Indian agriculture and economy. Without the Ganga, life would be very difficult here. There is a beautiful ancient story about this river. A king named Bhagiratha prayed for many years to the gods. He wanted the Ganga to come down from heaven to earth. His wish was to clean the souls of his ancestors. Finally, the gods answered his prayers and sent the river. This legend explains why Hindus consider the river so sacred. The city of Varanasi is especially important for Hindus. It is one of the world's oldest continuously lived-in cities. Many people believe that dying here brings salvation to their souls. Families often bring elderly relatives to spend their last days here. The river plays a crucial role in these final rituals. It helps believers achieve spiritual liberation according to their faith. The Kumbh Mela festival occurs every 12 years in different cities. It is the largest peaceful gathering of people anywhere in the world. Millions of devotees bathe in the river during this special time. They believe the holy water cleanses them of all their sins. This massive event demonstrates the river's power to unite people. It brings together individuals from all walks of life and backgrounds. The Ganga River now faces serious environmental challenges. The water has become heavily polluted from various sources. Factories dump their industrial waste directly into the river. Cities release untreated sewage and garbage daily. This pollution makes the water dangerous for human use. It affects both people's health and aquatic animals' survival. Many poor communities continue using this polluted water daily. They drink and bathe in it despite knowing the health risks. This leads to waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid. Children are particularly vulnerable to these illnesses. It's heartbreaking to see such conditions at a holy river. Everyone should have access to clean and safe water sources. The Ganga begins her journey high in the Himalayan mountains. The water is cold and clear at this starting point. She flows down through deep valleys and green forests. Many small streams join her along the way. This is where the river is at her purest state. The mountain water is safe to drink directly. As the river reaches the plains, she changes completely. The water moves slower and becomes wider here. Cities and towns appear along both banks. People use the river for transport and business. The landscape transforms from wild to civilized areas. This is where most people encounter the Ganga. The river supports amazing wildlife throughout her journey. Rare dolphins swim in certain deep sections. Many birds build nests along the sandy banks. Turtles lay eggs on small river islands. These animals need clean water to survive properly. They are important parts of the river's ecosystem. Finally, the Ganga meets the Bay of Bengal in the east. Here she creates the world's largest river delta. The Sundarbans mangrove forest grows in this area. This unique environment hosts Royal Bengal tigers. The river completes her long journey here. She mixes her fresh water with the sea's salt water. Today there is new hope for saving the Ganga. Young people are leading cleanup campaigns. Students volunteer for river conservation projects. Social media helps spread environmental awareness. New technology monitors water quality better. People are understanding the river's importance now. We can already see some positive changes happening. Certain parts of the river are becoming cleaner. The government has closed some polluting factories. New water treatment plants are working effectively. Fish are returning to previously polluted areas. These improvements show that recovery is possible. The Ganga teaches us valuable lessons about life. She shows the delicate balance between nature and humans. We must respect and protect our natural resources. Future generations deserve a clean and healthy river. Our actions today shape tomorrow's world. The river's story is actually about human responsibility. The Ganga will continue flowing through future ages. She carries the dreams and hopes of millions. Her waters contain stories from past to present. She reminds us of our connection to nature. We must promise to protect this great river. May she remain pure and beautiful forever.
When you finish today's practice, do not forget to review a little tomorrow. Learning a language works best with small and regular steps. Even if you only read one page or listened to one short story, it already brings value. Remember, progress is built day by day. If you feel tired, take a break, but return again. The secret is not speed, but consistency. Keep your motivation alive and enjoy each moment of learning. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.